Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Nome local and long-distance movers near me. Relocating to a new property is always a good feeling. But moving is not just about having started living in a new apartment. It involves various formalities and tasks, including packing/unpacking, shifting, and resettling your belongings. And some other formalities that are required to be completed before starting with your shifting process. However, shifting can be a difficult task to accomplish, but only when you are opting for DIY shifting. If you plan to hire a professional moving firm like 3 Movers, we have good business experience of 20 years in handling all types of shifts. And being the oldest moving firm, we are amongst Nome's certified moving firms. Furthermore, as we work towards the maximum satisfaction of our clients, we make sure to complete all legal formalities on your behalf. Know why you should hire us. We are affordable. For us, moving is not just a business project, but a lifetime moment for our clients. So, we prefer charging affordable prices to our clients. Plus, we notify our charges beforehand so our clients can make informed decisions and plan their budgets accordingly. We offer insurance on goods. If you hire us, 3 Movers, we will provide insurance on products that have been shifted through us. Means, in case of any wear and tear, our firm will compensate for the damage. And, as we have an easy-to-claim policy, we provide 90 days to file a claim against wear and tear. However, here are a few more reasons. Use secure wrapping material. Provide wholesome shifting services, packing, loading, shifting, and resettling your items. Never deny any assignment. Active communication. Reliable, fast-moving service. Insurance on belongings. Affordable prices. Punctuality. Licensed firm. Offer last-minute shifting. Trained staff. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.